I need to work out.
I always like this. Jenny, when she was still living here, got this music. I always liked it. So you're going to do, this is another one that we're going to work on because it has some beady stuff in it. We're going to do an 8-count weight and an easy Amos. Do a double basic. Double step, rock step. Now do a break step. That's double step, double break, step. Pause, step, rock step. So, yeah, double step, double break, step. Pause, step, rock step. So, double basic, ready, go, and a 1, and a 2, and 3, now break step, and a, see, I was going to count, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 5, 6, 7, and 8. You've got 2 little tiny pauses in there. So let's try it again. Double step, rock step, double break, step, rock step. That's easy Amos. Okay, easy Amos, ready, go. Double step, rock step, double break, step, rock step. Perfect, you got the rhythm just right. Groovy, we fight with this thing all the time, and I love it. Double step, brush up, toe, heel, tap, back. And my leg is kind of, the chair's in the way, but you want to kind of tap back. Double step, brush up, double step, tap back. Okay? We're doing, right now, we're doing groovy. Double step, brush up, toe, heel, tap back. That's half of it. Brush up, toe, heel, brush up, toe, heel. So that's the whole thing. Ready, go. Double step, brush up, toe, heel, tap back. Double step, brush up, double step, brush up. Let's count it. And a 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and a 5, and 6, and a 7, and 8. I'm going to brush this. Wait a minute. Tap. Wait a minute. Yeah, double step, brush up, toe, heel, tap back. Double step, brush up, toe, heel. Wait a minute, now I can't do it. Yeah, and a 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and a 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. There we go. Yeah. Double step, brush up, toe, heel, tap back. Double step, brush up, toe, heel, brush up. No. Double step, toe heel, but it can't be 2 toe heels because you got a left foot free when you're done.
There it is. I got it. Okay, ready?
I don't, why did I not? No. Double step, brush up, toe heel, tap back. That's half the step. It's that last half I need. Brush up, toe, heel, tap back, double step, brush up.
I don't think there's a thing in the middle. You know, it's not going to happen. I got my definition.
Brush up.
I think you go like this.
What in the world didn't I write that down? Well, you know, if I don't think about it.
No. If the last part is another brush up. Yeah.
Up, toe, heel, brush up.
Oh, yeah. 2 brushes on the end. Good job. Yeah.
See, you have to have a left foot free. Okay. Double step, brush up, toe, heel, tap back. Brush up, toe, heel, brush up, toe, heel. There it is. Yeah. Brush up, see, brush up, toe. Brush up, toe, heel, brush up, toe, heel. Okay, that's it. I knew if I just didn't think about it, it would come. Okay, groovy, ready, go. Double step, brush up, toe, heel, tap, back. Double step, toe, heel, tap, tap. Yeah, brush up, toe, heel, brush up, toe, heel. Right, Elsie? Brush up, toe, heel. Well, Donna's the one that usually knows these.
There's no, she knows it in between. What are you doing?
I can't see her. Brush up, toe, heel, that's it. Double step, brush up, toe, heel, tap, back. Brush up, toe, heel, brush up, toe, heel. That's it, guys. I'll guarantee it. And if I'm wrong, I'll eat crow. Okay, double step, brush up, toe, heel, tap, back. Brush up, toe, heel, brush up, toe, heel. That's it. My legs say that's it. God, I tell you. And a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8.
Okay.
Yeah, and you're supposed to kind of cross them. I think Elsie is still doing that. Yeah. Brush up, toe, heel. There you go. There you go. Holy Hannah, talk to
Village.
Yeah, it does. Thank you. When I'm.
Oh, wait a minute.
There it is. I can't see it, but it's there.
It says, double step, brush up, toe, heel, tap, back, brush up, toe, heel.
Brush up, toe, heel. That's it. Yeah. That was it.
Brush up, toe, heel, brush up, toe, heel. Oh, got it.
Yeah. Yeah, I was running out of space, so I had to. Okay, slur frenzy. Double step, slur, step, block, step, slur, step, block, step, slur, step, toe, heel. Then a brush over Joey. Double step, brush up, toe, heel, tap back Joey. And 1 and 2, 1 basic right foot. Okay.
We got that right.
You got that right? I even got it right.
There you go.
5 and 6, easy. Amos, go.
Did you go over that one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Double basic, ready, go. Double step, break. Double step, double break. Step, step. Okay, easy, Amos, ready, go. Double step, rock, step. Double step, double break. Step, rock, step. That's easy, Amos. I started out with it. Maybe I should have started out. No, you guys don't.
Yeah, it was just a long time ago.
Yeah, about 2 minutes.
Yeah, I was gonna say yesterday was a long time ago.
5, 6, easy, Amos, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and Groovy. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, we're frenzy, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and brush over Joey. 1 basic. Okay, you want to go over that once more?
Yeah, how do you do a brush over Joey?
Double step, brush up, double step, toe back, double ball.
It's just 2 steps tied together.
Yeah. Here we go again. Maybe. 3, 4, 5, 6, easy, Amos, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Groovy. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6, we're frenzy, go. And rush over Joe. 1 basic.
I got it.
Yeah. It sounds pretty good. Are you ready to move on?
Yes.
Okay, Rhythm Rock 2. This is one we've been playing with quite a bit. double down, double up, rock 1, rock 2, double basic.
So it's a run on the.
It's a run and 2 double ups, 2 rock steps, and a double basic.
Perfect.
Double step, double up, rock 1, rock 2, double basic. Ready, go. Double down, double up, rock 1, rock 2, double basic. Now we go back into easy Amos. Ready, go. Double step, rock step, double break. Okay, legs. You
I got it now, I got it now.
Okay. Easy Amos, ready, go. Double step, rock step, double break. Step, rock, step. Okay, basic rhythm, and this is the one that throws me, and it's so stupid because it's simple. 1 basic is 2 double ups. Double step, rock step, double up, double step, rock step, double up.
So what are you calling the upper one? What? Yeah. Run.
Rhythm.
Rhythm rock 2 is what it's called.
Rhythm rock 2 or a rhythm basic.
This is basic rhythm.
Basic rhythm. And the other is
Yeah.
rhythm rock 2. Okay.
I got this one from you.
No, okay. It was Bill.
I thought it was you that first did it.
No, Bill next did it.
Oh, well, I'm going to blame Bill then.
Yeah, there we go.
Okay. Now, let's do all of that, because then we're going to review the Bayou step.
On here.
5, 6, easy, Amos, go. Groovy. 1, 2, 3. Your friends sing, go. You want to go through that again? Okay. And now, if anything you want to look at, just let me know.
The end of a groovy, and just look at your notes. The end of a groovy, what is that?
Let's see. Double step, brush up, toe heel, tap back, brush up, toe heel, brush up, toe heel. So it's
So it's got 3 brushes in it.
double step, brush up, toe. Oh, you want to do the whole thing? Okay. Double step, brush up, toe heel, tap back, brush up, toe heel, brush up, toe heel. Let's count it. And the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8.
Kathy, start with a brush, ends with 2 brushes.
Yeah. Double step, brush up, toe heel, tap back.
And a brush.
Yeah. Double step, brush up, toe heel, tap back. Brush up, toe heel, brush up, toe heel. There you got it. So let's count it. And the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Good. Now let's go back to the Bayou step. It's a triple slur, triple over slur. Ready, go. And a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now it's rock step and slur. Rock step, slur, step, stamp, double step, stamp, up. Run, stamp, stomp. Double step, stamp, stomp. So there it is. Triple over slur, rock step slur, run, stamp, stomp. Ready, go. Triple over slur, rock step and slur, triple step, double step, stamp, stomp. I don't want to get that triple in there again. No. Ready, go. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now, guess what? Other foot. Ready, triple over slur. Ready, go. And a 1 and a 2 and a rock, step and slur. Run, stand, stop. Double step, stop. Now, can we do it without me saying it? I'll just count it. Ready, go. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 right foot. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Then you're going to go into basic rhythm again. The basic and double ups. double step, rock step, double up, double step, rock step, brush over Joey. Now, right here, when you finish that Joey, right away you got a double back tap step with the right foot. Double back tap step. And this is the tricky one. I could have done something else, but I...
That's a step by itself?
Yep. So do the brush over Joey. Double step, brush up, double step, tap, back, tap, 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 tap. Double back tap step, double back tap step. Is that fast?
At the end?
No.
It's a double back click.
Double back, click, tap, yeah. Double back, click, tap, step.
You're missing your click count. Double click, tap, step.
Double click, tap, step. Double click, tap, step. Double. Now, when you say the word back with the click, double click, tap, step. So let's double back, click, tap, step. And one.
Which one might go back?
Well, wait a minute, just a minute. Let me see it. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Oh, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Double back, tap, step. It's your right foot. Double back, tap, step. Double back, tap, step. Double click, tap, step. Double click, tap, step. Okay? So brush over Joey with the left, double back, tap, step right. And I might as well warn you, right after that, without any beats in between, you're going to do a hard runner. It's a double back, brush up, ball, ball, kick step, ball, 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 ball. Brush over Joey, ready, go. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, double back, tap, step. Hard runner, double back, brush up, double step, kick step, ball, 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 and basic, ball. Double back, brush up, double step, kick step, ball, 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 ball. One last step, and you've known it because Patsy taught it quite a bit. K-strut. Double step, drag step, heel step, toe step, heel step, brush half of the basic, back again. Double step, drag step, heel step, toe step, brush half and the basic, 2 runs. Easy Amos. Double step, rock step, double break, step groovy, double step, brush up, toe, heel, tap, back, brush up, toe, heel, brush, sort of frenzy, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 2 basic rhythms, double step, rock step, double up, double step, rock step, 2 runs. Whew! Now we do a brush over Joey and a clog over, 2 brush over Joeys and 2 clog over runs. Ready, go. Double step, brush up, double step, tap. Okay, wait a minute. Double step, brush up, double step, tap, back, and Joey. Back to the right. Double step, brush up, double step, tap, back, Joey. Clog over runs. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and back to the right. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. K-strut, double step, drag step, heel step, toe step, heel step, brush half, and a basic step. And it does look better when you can move it. Double step, drag step, heel step, toe step, heel step, brush half.
Okay, they're stuck on beat 2 and 3.
And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Let's do it again. Let's face the front. In fact, let's do it twice without turning it. And just don't go too far or you'll be out the driveway. K-strut, ready, go. Double step, drag step, heel step, toe step, heel step, brush up, and basic step. Double step, drag step, heel step, toe step, heel step, brush up, and basic step.
That looks good.
Got it?
And now we
Now you gotta turn it half each. Ready, go. Double step, double step, drag step.
wait, we gotta reset.
Double step, drag step, heel step, toe step, heel step, brush half of the basic. Do it again. Double step, drag step, heel step, toe step, heel step, brush half, and a basic step. That's it. Let's try it.
That's all.
That's easy.
that we have learned, but then of course we haven't done them for a long time, and then we probably put too many, but you guys are ready for it. We're not in any hurry. I'm not in any.
I like this one.
These guys are, they're ready.
5, 6, easy. Amos, go. Groovy. Slurp frenzy. Brush over toes. One basic. Rhythm rock 2. 5 and 6 and easy. Amos. Rhythm rock 2. 2 torpedoes. Bayou. Triple over. Right hamster. Jump, step, step, step. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 and 6 and basic rhythm. 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and brush over Joey. 3, 4. Double back, tap, step, roll. Arm runner. Double back. Case truck, half left, each. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and trim again. 1 and 2 and 3. 2 runs, easy Amos. 1 and 2 and 4. 5 and 6 and Groovy, no. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 5 and 6 are friendly. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 basic rhythm, rock 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and runs, brush over Joey.